Welcome back to the Lemon Factor. I'm Chad, and today I'm here with our 2003 Lexus IS300 Sport Cross. I've been doing a lot of maintenance lately in preparation for additional modifications for this car, ultimately to add an aftermarket turbo. Before I do though, I am going through the car and making sure that anything that needs upgrading, repair, is done before I start taking that big leap into turbocharging. Recently, I've noticed that my door lock mechanism is having a hard time locking and unlocking. I realized that when I'm walking away from the car and I use the key to lock the car, my driver's door is not actually locking. I don't know how long this has been going on for, that I've been leaving my car unlocked wherever I park it, but I'm glad I found out now. So in today's video, I'm going to replace the door lock actuator on our first gen Lexus IS300. If you like this video, if you found it helpful, if you found it entertaining, if you want to help support the Lemon Factor, please consider hitting that super thanks button that can be found at the bottom of the video. So that's it. A little complicated in a couple steps, but take your time, go through step by step, rewatch the video a couple times. Once you've done it once, it's pretty easy, which is good to know because there's 4 doors on the Lexus IS300, which means I'll probably be doing this again sometime in the future. With that said, I think we're done for today. I want to thank you very much for joining, and until next time.